Make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make by not testing fuses. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you're trying to find the fuse for the front left turn signal, stay with us. We'll explain where this fuse is located. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when actually testing or replacing that fuse. All that will be covered in this video today. So what we have specifically here, this is a 2018 Dodge Challenger, guys. Most people will automatically open the hood and they will look for that turn signal fuse under the hood, but it's actually not here, guys. It will be, most people will think it's right here in that fuse box. It's not. It's actually at a different place. So if we come towards the back now, okay, car was in a little bit of an accident, you can see here, but runs and drives like a champ. We'll be rebuilding it soon, most likely. So if you come to the trunk, you open the cargo cover right here, and next to the spare tire and the car battery, you have another fuse box there. You need to press that thing here, and you are going to open it just like that. Now, what we need to look for here, guys, common mistake people make, they do not test fuses. Always test fuses, guys, and relays. Sometimes you cannot clearly see if a fuse is burnt or not, and you may think it's good, you put it back in, and you spend time and money on parts you don't need, guys. It's not worth it, so always test them. We'll put a link in the description of the video below to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to test relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. For some fuses, guys, it's usually recommended to have even the car battery disconnected in some cases because you can burn the electronics. Be careful, and on these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you want to find out, there is a video which battery terminal to disconnect first. It's very important about that. So front left turn signal fuse, guys, will be actually starting on the very left side. Even if you have an empty fuse like this one, you count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fuse right here, that's the fuse for the front left turn signal. Actually, it's for the front right headlight as well. It's for multiple things. Okay, that fuse, that's the one right there. And when you need to replace it, test it, find out if it's good or bad, and go ahead and push it back in. So if the turn signal still doesn't work, what else it could be? In some cases, guys, it may be the body control module deactivating that function if there was a short in the system or something like that. And you may need to use a computer like this one. The Maxicom is the one that can do that job. It works on almost any car you can think of. You can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, see live data. So you may need to reset the codes from the body control module and lightning modules. That way, okay, the function can be working again. So if you want to find out more about that computer, I'll put the link in the description of the video below where we got it from, how much it is, and the current functions and all that stuff. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.